In this video, we will randomly select 3 wireless power banks of unknown brands that are infused with the energy of Huawei MBI and conduct power tests on them. The first one, I don't know what brand it is. Let's call it Little Blue for the time being. It uses 5 LED lights to display the power level. The interfaces are Type-C and Type-A and USB. There is also an integrated folding and client stand. After it is unfolded and then placed obliquely, it is horizontal. The second one, I call it Little Black. It is very weighty when held in the hand. The shell of the drive board part is transparent. There is a hard leather folding and client stand on the back. It can be placed obliquely in the vertical direction. Users with small hands can even hold and fix it when moving. It only has a Type-C interface and uses for LED lights to display the battery level. The third one is a high imitation product for a well-known brand. The details are restored very similarly. At the bottom is a lightning interface and a single indicator light. There are traces of use, let's call it Little White for the time being. For the test tool, we still choose the WIP 0MP wireless charging tester. Since we don't know whether the first 3 wireless power banks are compatible with some manufacturer's own proprietary protocols. In the subsequent tests, we will only use the BPP gear on the tester. This is to ensure that the power and frequency are as compatible as possible. The test conditions and environment have been displayed on the screen. Interested viewers can pause and watch. First up is Little Blue. There is still about half of the power left in the internal battery cell. After we put the tester on, we directly press the button of the power bank. The tester immediately recognized the induction signal. At the beginning, the read voltage reaches low volts, and then it will fall back around 9 seconds. The current and voltage tend to be stable. Among them, due to losses in the transmission process, the displayed current value is smaller than the rated value. At this time, the cooling fan of the tester has been started. Under the BPP gear, the charging output performance of this wireless power bank is acceptable. The result is qualified. Then comes Little Black. Personally, I have relatively high expectations for it. There is more than half of the power left in the internal battery cell. Although there is magnetic suction positioning, I accidentally didn't hold it firmly. Fortunately, there is no major problem. The tester successfully responded 1 second after pressing the power bank switch. The readings of voltage and current tend to be stable around 7 seconds. When reaching 9 seconds, the cooling fan of the tester starts to start. The performance of this power bank is even better than the previous one. Perhaps it is because there is more power in its battery cell than the first one, or because the stacking of the driver board and the firmware tuning are better. The performance of the second power bank also meets expectations. The result is qualified. Finally, it is this high imitation Little White that appears. We don't know how much power is left in the battery cell. We charge it with a 20-watt PD adapter for 30 minutes in advance. There is no button on the body. It is recognized immediately after putting on the tester. At the beginning, the voltage is displayed as 6 volts. Huh? Wait, what's going on? Could it be that there is a problem with the tester itself? The cooling fan is not rotating. Let's separate it and then make contact again to try. When placed on it again, the signal is still recognized immediately, indicating that the tester is normal. The readings on the display screen are not much different from the previous readings. There was a screen flicker just now. The tester array detects the output signal of the power bank. It seems that the performance of this high imitation product is not very good. Let's continue to observe and see. Maybe it can bring us more unexpected surprises. I hold it in my hand and get closer to the shooting lens. It can't be recognized again, causing screen flickering. This product is really worrying. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.